Hi guys, so today is day 2 of an endless summer in beautiful, no rain today, beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. So as we see, we got the condom off the Cobra. It's going to be a much better day, not calling for rain at all. Sun is actually out. It's going to be fantastic. Today the giveaway is going to be this Bangin Gears baseball cap. Okay, not this one is mine, but we'll get you one just like it. I have a few. So again, you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment and like the video, and we'll put you in the running to win the hat. And all the winners will be announced in a video that I will put out not this Friday, but next Friday. So enjoy today's video, stay tuned, we'll hope to see you again tomorrow. We'll be giving away something else. Enjoy your day.